In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Gojek. If you're new to Gojek, it's a popular all-in-one app that helps you get rides, order food, and access a variety of everyday services. This walkthrough is focused on Android devices using the Google Play Store, so if you're on an Android phone or tablet, you're in the right place. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your device. You'll usually find its multicolored triangle icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. The Play Store is the safest and most reliable place to get Android apps because downloads come directly from verified developers and are automatically checked for security updates. Once the Play Store is open, tap the search bar at the top and type exactly Gojek, Food and Transportation. Typing the full name helps you land on the correct listing right away. As you type, the Play Store may suggest results. Make sure the title matches what you entered to avoid unrelated apps. If you see multiple results, don't worry, just look for the official one. Next, select the official app published by PT. Go to Gojek Tokopedia TBK. Checking the developer name is a simple but important way to avoid lookalike apps. You can also glance at the star rating, the number of downloads, and recent reviews to confirm you've got the legitimate listing. Sticking with the official developer ensures you receive the latest features and security fixes. When you've opened the correct app page, tap Install. The Play Store will begin downloading and installing Gojek automatically. The time this takes depends on your internet speed and available storage. For a smooth experience, it's best to be on a stable Wi-Fi connection, especially if you're watching your mobile data usage. You'll see a progress indicator while the download completes, and you can continue using your phone while it installs in the background. After installation finishes, the button on the app page will change, and the Gojek icon will appear on your home screen or in your app drawer. That's your confirmation that the app is now on your device and ready whenever you are. If you don't see Gojek in search results or the install button isn't available, it could be due to regional availability, device compatibility, or parental controls on the Play Store. To recap, you open the Google Play Store, search for Gojek, Food and Transportation, choose the official listing by PT. Go to Gojek Tokopedia TBK and tap Install. That's all you need to successfully download Gojek on your Android device. Thanks for watching and enjoy exploring what Gojek can do for you.